Hey guys, it's Friday night, about 6 o'clock here. Just got home. Poured myself a nice frozen cocktail. This was sitting on my porch. I think some of you guys can probably guess what's in here. Little hint, came out of Canada. So I'm not going to keep you in suspense. We're going to dig right into it. It'll be a short video today. I'll try and get through this better than last time. Let's see. Feels like a blanket or something in there. This guy always has very odd packing methods, but I haven't had a damaged saw from him yet. Stuff in there. Okay. I don't think this one didn't come with a barn chain, but I think I have one for it. Any guesses? You got the general shape. It's definitely a chainsaw of some sort. And it definitely looks red. Oh, there you get a little hint there. You can see the ITE. Let's dig right into this thing. See how many layers it's got. Keep in mind, gentlemen, I got one hand working here and one holding the camera, so it's not going to be perfect. Now, I have wanted one of these saws for a while to go with some of my other ones. I don't know if I want to show you the number on the side yet. Let's get it a little more unwrapped. Let's get it out of this plastic. It's definitely a Homelite. That much is clear. Oh, I just flashed it at you. Whatever, let's pull it out. There we go. There we go. Ooh, it is a little bit cleaner than I thought. Oh, wait a minute. Look at that. He sent me a bar. I didn't even think a bar was included. Nice. What a guy. We'll have to see what that is. I wonder if that's an original Homelite bar. Alright, let's get this box out of my way. Let's get this front and center. You might have already saw when I flashed on the side there. Maybe I'll edit it out, maybe I won't. Man, look how nice that paint is. This is something I wanted to put with my 100 series for a while. And I just haven't been able to find one for a good enough price that wasn't all beat up or that I'd have to go through, you know, and I got this for a really good price from my friend in Canada. Thank you again, Pascal, if that's how you say your name. Never met you. I might be pronouncing it wrong. But that's where I got my, what else did I get from you? That's where I got my XL120 AM from. You guys missed that unboxing video. I think that was before I was doing YouTube. But this 120 AM came from the same gentleman. He went through it before he sent it down to me, and that's exactly what he did with this saw. So this is a Homelite XL76. Looks like it had a sticker here at one point somebody took off. I don't know if Pascal did that or not, but I've wanted to add this saw specifically to my 100 series. Same general shape, same exact thing really. But Homelite Terry, I think they were, as far as I know, they were only made in Canada, and I think they were only sold in Canada as well. So we got one here, and it's going to go into our collection. Pascal went completely through it. I'll have to look again and see exactly what he did, but I think he had to put a top end in this. I don't remember. He might have put a good used cylinder and piston in it. I can't remember. It was only a week ago, but that's how shot my memory is. But it was gonna be a fun saw. Let's take a look at this bar really quick if I can get it open while also filming here. Let's see how many layers it's got. See if it's an original Homelite bar or not. And I'll be honest, the price really wasn't unreasonable. I mean, honestly, all things considered, because it was just a project sitting on his shelf, you know, and he took the time to go completely through it and do everything it needed to run. Alright, see if I can sit you guys down for a second here while I do this. I can lean against the 76. Oh, there we go. Okay. I see. Might be an original Homelite bar, but it's been painted black. Pretty nice chain come with it though. Taped it all on there. It's better than no bar and chain. It's nice too. Looks like he did all the edges. Cleaned it all up nice. Sweet. That's good. I don't even remember him mentioning that it came with a bar. My 120 AM, when he sent me that didn't come with a bar, and we never talked about it. I just wanted the power head. Same with this, I just wanted the power head, but yeah, he sent me a bar and chain, nice. That's good. But let me switch over, we'll dump some gas in this thing, and we'll see if we can get it started. I'll take you guys outside with me. All right. All right, guys, we are all fueled up. Let's give it a test fire. See what it takes. Well, already popped. Let's give it a little more choke, I guess. Boy, am I happy with that. I think all said and done for the saw, all the work he did to it, shipping, everything, all in one payment, I think we were under $200, if I remember correctly. I mean, I'm certainly happy with that. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.